Once you have created your account, your first step is to go to this website, scratch.mit.edu, and hit create. You can then change your title to one of your choice. Once we have a new project, we need to first remove the sprite there by sending him to the trash. We will now add several backdrops that will be used behind our levels. We have the option of choosing a backdrop, drawing a backdrop, or uploading our own. I am going to upload my own office-themed backdrops. Before you upload your own backdrop, you must surf the internet and find images you would like to use. That is your first priority today, finding 5 background images and an image you can use for your character and chasing sprites, and downloading them to your files. Once they have been downloaded, you can select them and hit open. You can select more than one at a time if you hit shift. You can now look through to make sure all of your images came through correctly and put them in any order you want before heading back to the code screen. If you hit convert to vector at the bottom, it can help you preserve some of your image quality if you drag and drop to make them larger. When you are happy with your backgrounds, go to the top and hit the code button. We are now going to start adding our sprites using the same methods of uploading a sprite that we have saved from the internet. The first one we are going to upload is our chasing sprite. Mine will be a stapler. Once I select my chosen image and hit open, it will add it to the screen, but I now have to make it smaller. To shrink this stapler down to a more reasonable size, I will find the size box in the bottom, and I am going to change this number to 10, thereby shrinking my stapler to a much more chaseable size. I will now repeat the process of uploading a sprite with my second sprite, which will be my chaser. This one will also have to be shrunk, but may be a different number depending on the size of your picture. It might take a little guess and check to get it right. I find a number about 45 is going to work for me. As you can see on the bottom of our screen here, we now have 2 different sprites, Dwight and the stapler. You can change between these sprites and these codes by clicking on the one you wish to code. First, we will focus on making the stapler move.